collecting some pollen for fun. I have a container which I hold under the limb, and then I shake it a bit and the pollen falls into the container, but I miss pretty much most of it, so the yield is quite bad. But it doesn't matter since I'm just doing it for the fun of it. After I have some of it, I sieve it out and then I put it into a container, and it looks nice and smells quite nice also, which is unexpected of pollen.